Class, today we're going to be learning about area. Size of a surface. It's the inside of a shape such as a circle or square. Area is measured in square units. These can be square feet, square inches, or square centimeters, but today we're just going to talk about square units. Let's start off with an activity to learn area. This is going to be our square unit. This was the shape, the area of this shape would be 1 square unit. Now, if this is our shape, we have 2 square units. If this is our shape, all we have to do is simply count 1, 2, 3 square units. How many square units are in this shape? In other words, what is the area of this shape? Yes, Colby?
6!
Very good, Colby. The area of this shape is 6 square units.
Yay!
Why is it 6 square units?
Because there are 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excellent, Colby. Well done. Class, I want to remind you, when you are finding area, whether you're finding it in square inches, or square centimeters, or square units, or square feet, make sure that you always express your answers with square units. Can't forget that. Knowing how to find area is useful because it's how we measure different surfaces, such as floors and roofs. A roofer doesn't know how many shingles he needs to buy unless he knows the area of the roof that he needs to cover. Just like someone who needs to put carpet into their house doesn't know how much carpet to buy unless they find the area of the floor that they are going to put carpet on. If you want to practice finding area at home, you can do this same activity with your brothers and sisters, your mom and dad, or any friends or relatives. All you need is at least 2 players and a deck of cards or some post-its or something that's all uniform, all the same size. And you can do the same thing. Just make different shapes, count the squares, and ask your friend how many square units are in that shape and see if they get it right. I hope you guys have fun.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss A.
Well, class, I have a problem. Our classroom's getting too cold and we need carpet, and I don't know how to count it. It's big, but what's a way that we can find out how much carpet we need?
I know, Miss A. We need to find the area.
Good job, Squiggles. We do need to find the area, but how can we do it? Well, let me give you a hint, class. Each of these tiles are 1 square unit.
Ooh, I know. We could count all the tiles.
That's right, Blocky. But how can that help us find out how much carpet we need to buy for the class?
Ooh, Miss A, I know. If we count all the tiles on the floor, we'll know how much square units the floor is. And then we'll know how much carpet we need to cover it all. Yay!
That's right, Squiddy. Now, who wants to help me count the tiles to see how much carpet we're going to need for the whole class?
I will.
Oh, we should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let me stop you right there, Squiggles. Now we know that our classroom is 10 tiles wide. Okay, class, does anyone have a faster way to count the rest of the tiles without counting each one individually?
We can count by tens.
10, 20, 30, 40.
That means our classroom is 40 square units.
That means we need 40 square units of carpet.
Good job, class. We do need 40 square units of carpet to cover the classroom. Let's go buy it.
What areas we're gonna practice on the computer, and we need to build a ship for the little aliens to get home on. Dr. Marvels is creating a new fleet of cyber spaceships, and he needs your help building them. We're gonna grab and rotate pieces to build our spaceship, and then we're gonna see how many aliens fit in our spaceship. Each square unit, it fits one alien. So we need to, after we build our ship, we need to count how many aliens are in the ship, and how many aliens are the area of that ship. We need to build our ship, and we need to build a closed ship, not open. Okay, to rotate the piece, you just hit this bottom button right here, and then you can move it once it's rotated. See, this ship is incomplete because it is still open. We need to close that gap with the final piece. What do you think the area of this shape is, or how many square units on this shape? And in other words, how many aliens will fit in this shape?
I think there's 4 square units.
Explain to me why you would think there is 4 square units.
I don't know, it just looks like 4 aliens would fit in there.
See if you're correct. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 square units, but that was a great try, Rilee.
Only 3 aliens will fit inside the shape.
Now we're going to watch our ship come to life. Only 3 aliens fit in the ship. Now let's launch it. We're going to head to the computer lab and make our own ships. And now remember that each square unit fits 1 alien. So to count your aliens, count square units and then make your guess.